In this unit, Bits and Bytes, the digital advantage, we explore some of the key ideas that lie behind the notion of a digital world. And in particular focus on answering that question, why digital? Why has digital representation come to predominate over analogue representations of our world? In short, it's the difference that makes the difference that we wish to emphasise. So there are 5 sessions within this unit. The first, all done by numbers, looks at different ways in which we can introduce what might otherwise be a dry topic, that of binary representation, as an abstraction for this digital world. The second of the units, Playing with Pictures, looks at how bitmap pictures are made up of pixels and how those pixels are made up of numerical values. It uses a wonderful utility developed in the United States by Mark Goodstyle, and it allows children to get under the hood of a picture and to directly manipulate the numeric values of the pixels. So we can implement graphic effects through working on a spreadsheet and introducing simple formula. So from there we go on to develop a session looking at character coding schemes, encouraging children to reason about what might, some of the considerations in developing common character coding representations. Painting by Numbers takes the idea of a bit pattern a step further, showing how a bit pattern such as a character can also be rendered as an image. So we can have children writing pictures in Notepad which can then be rendered in an image manipulation package as a picture, making the point that a bitmap can be interpreted in a variety of different ways. This is a point that we return to in another of the Tenderfoot sessions later on. Finally, computational graphics takes this a step further, and we actually have exercises where children can directly implement the sort of techniques that they're familiar with within image manipulation packages such as Photoshop, high-end techniques to introduce filters and other graphic effects. And they can do this directly by writing routines in Python using fairly limited programming skills, provided they have the ability to manipulate linear structures such as arrays. One of the big leaps for teachers who are unfamiliar with computer science and are used to teaching applications, IT applications, is making the connection between the sort of things that they're used to doing, such as graphic manipulation in Photoshop and so on, and the underlying coding. We hope in this unit that you'll come away with a much deeper understanding of how applications are built, as well as how we can teach children to use them.
For more information about CAS Tenderfoot resources to support training for Key Stage 3 computing teachers, go to www.computingatschool.org.uk/Tenderfoot.